I started a 6-figure YouTube business by myself, and I've helped creators scale to 6 figures, and I've never written a 200-page business plan. I think it's a massive waste of time, and it gets you stuck in the phase of overthinking instead of actually taking action, which is the most important thing when starting a YouTube business. Starting a YouTube business can be confusing, but it can also be very easy. So easy, it can fit onto just one single page. This is it, and I'm going to prove it by sharing my YouTube funnel for generating revenue and digital product sales, so you can fast forward and decide if this business model makes sense for you. I've used this plan to generate over $11,000 in digital product sales in the last few months, and I've also used this plan to generate over $285,000 from one YouTube channel. And just to prove it, I'm just going to show you a screenshot of my phone. As you can see, it's Friday the 7th of March, and I'm just gonna go into my YouTube account, and there's my channel that made $285,000. I'm just gonna refresh the page again so you can see that there. There you go. So this is the roadmap, and you can go through this to build your YouTube business in 2 simple steps. Step 1 is the YouTube content, your freebies and your products, and step 2 is your simplified YouTube sales funnel, which we'll get to a little bit later. But first of all, let's go through step 1. Now, when building your YouTube business, there's 3 main questions you want to ask yourself. Is this my passion? Is it popular? And is it profitable? Now, this is what you need to think about in terms of the content you're creating, the products you'll be selling on your channel, the free products you'll be giving to people on your channel, the entire brand of your channel and your business as a whole. Is it something you're passionate about? Is it popular? And is it profitable? And if the answer is yes, then you can move on to the first phase of building your YouTube business out, which is the actual content itself. Now, in terms of your channel itself, there's 3 things that you really need to focus on. Your content for one person that solves one problem. This allows you to focus on one specific person, help them solve one problem, and then create content around that problem. A helpful thing to do is to name one person you know in real life. Now, this could be, your brothers, your aunties, your uncles, your sisters, your friends, or whatever. By naming one person you know in real life, this can then allow you to tap into their psychology a little bit deeper in terms of what are their dreams? What are their goals? What are their fears? Biggest problems? And by knowing all of these questions, what are their dreams? What are their goals? What are their fears? What are their biggest problems? This allows you to make the perfect type of content for one person that helps them solve one problem. Just to get into this a little bit deeper in terms of your channel and your content, there's a couple of questions that I want you to ask yourself as well. Do I understand this person? And is the problem big enough or painful enough? And when you take this into consideration, do you know this person? And is the problem big enough? This allows you to get deep with your content and create high quality content for one specific person that helps them solve one problem. And just to let you know, guys, in March, I'm launching the Digital Product Academy, where I will teach you how to launch your first profitable digital product, attract customers, and generate sales on autopilot. If you join the waitlist now, it's 90% off. And if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Now, just to dive into this a little bit deeper, I want to show you this diagram here. When creating content for your channel, I want you to visualize this diagram. You're creating content for one person and they're facing one problem. Now, to help them get over this problem, you can create YouTube content. This gap here, this is where you come into play, and this is where you help this person with your YouTube content to help them get over this problem and get one step closer to their dream or their goal. This will help you build a profitable and successful YouTube channel if you use this as the foundation of your YouTube business. Once you've established our YouTube content, the next phase is freebies. Now, freebies are basically free resources, free templates and guides, free stuff that your one person can use to solve small problems in their life. Now, in terms of your freebies, this can be a combination of different things. This can be like guides, ebooks, templates, mini courses, basically something they can download immediately and get an instant win or an instant result. Now, when you're creating these freebies, it's important to note that you make sure that they relate to the content on your channel and the main topic of your channel, and then relate to the main theme of your YouTube channel. Let's just say your channel is about losing weight. These free guides and ebooks and templates and mini courses would relate to helping people lose weight or help them improve their health and get on the right track towards losing weight. The three main benefits of giving away freebies is to collect emails, build trust, and build your own audience. Now, collecting emails is very vital if you want to build a successful online business and a YouTube business in general. If you just rely on social media to connect with your audience, it's not the best way, because only a small percentage of your audience on social media and YouTube actually sees your content. So by collecting emails, this allows you to contact your audience directly, also build trust and build your own audience, because one day your YouTube channel could get shut down or your social media accounts could get shut down, and if that happens, you have no audience. So it is absolutely critical to give away freebies and collect emails from your audience, just so you can have a direct communication with them and build a relationship with them. Now, another question as well when it comes to creating freebies is that you need to make this so good you could actually sell it. This is very important when creating freebies. If you create a poor quality freebie and somebody downloads it and it's not very good, they will take that as an impression of your entire business, and they will assume that your paid products are also not very good. So this will build a bad reputation with those people, and they probably won't buy your paid products. So when you create freebies, make this so good you could actually sell it, because if it's so good you could actually sell it, when people use it and access it and they get results with it and they make money with it, they'll be like, wow, this product was actually free. I wonder what his paid products are like. And these people are more likely to purchase your paid products, so it's very important to make high quality freebies. Moving on to the final phase of your YouTube business, this is your paid product. Now, in terms of your paid products, there's a culmination of different things you can offer. You can offer courses, a one-on-one mentorship, a cohort, a paid community, one-to-one consulting, or even some type of service such as video editing or graphic design or something of that nature. Now, again, when you create your actual paid product, make sure that it relates to the main theme of your YouTube channel. And again, making sure it relates to the freebies on your channel. And this just gives you a nice sort of streamlined flywheel of different content and products and services. Again, helping one person with one problem. Now, in terms of price, you can price this at different prices. For me personally, in terms of my products and services, I would probably price them something around $299 to $499 when starting out. Then you get some testimonials from different clients that you've helped achieve a desired outcome. Once you've got those testimonials, you can increase your price even higher to maybe $600, $700, $1,000 or more. The more testimonials you get, the higher the perceived value of the product you're selling, which means you can sell it at a higher price. So again, this is completely up to you, but I would recommend you to start at around $299 to $499 when selling a product on your channel. Now, another question I want you to consider when you're creating your products is, how can I validate this? And what is my unique selling proposition? You can validate your product in many different ways. You could do a free workshop and include some of the content and materials from your course or your product to see if people actually like it. Get people on a wait list and see if there's actually interest for the product that you want to sell. Another way you can do this is by just asking your audience on social media. Make a post on your YouTube channel, make a poll on your YouTube channel, or ask people in your YouTube content, I'm thinking about making this product. Are you interested? And shall I create this product? Another thing you can do to validate a product is go onto other bigger YouTube channels and big social media accounts related to your niche, your problem, and your content, and look at the comments on those videos and see what people are talking about. See what problems these people are facing, what questions they're asking, and then you can take that into consideration and then create a good product based on that demand. Another thing to consider as well is your USP, your unique selling proposition. Look at the competitors in your niche and then see how you can position yourself in a different way to make yourself stand out, to make you different. How can you make your product better? How can you make the delivery better? How can you make your messaging more clear so that people understand your product better than they understand other people's products? Even downloading your competitors' lead magnets and free products and seeing what they're creating, and then analyzing the situation and seeing how you can make your products better. Now, once we've established step one of creating our YouTube business, we can move on to step two, your simplified YouTube sales funnel. The first step of the funnel is traffic and views. Now, I keep this very simple. I focus on YouTube content to drive traffic to my offers and to my lead magnets, etc. I put call to actions in my video, a verbal call to action telling people to check out my free resources or to check out my guide or check out my course, etc. And then in the description of my video, I put links to freebies or links to my courses and links to my offers so people can click and access whatever it is that I have to offer. The main thing I'm trying to do with this traffic is drive these people down my sales funnel into my newsletter, collect their emails so I can contact them and make more offers to this person. Now, in terms of the next phase of my funnel, which is nurture, to build a deeper connection with people and to nurture my followers, I send emails and newsletters, basically just keeping them updated on things that I'm working on, send them value emails, such as information about how they can solve certain problems that they're facing. I also make offers in my email, such as free and paid. It might be free offers that I've released, such as a new YouTube video or a new course or a new guide or a new template or a new ebook that I've released for free. And also I promote my YouTube content in my emails, telling them I've released a brand new video. Again, the main focus of this is to nurture these people, build a relationship with them, and help one person solve one problem. And again, once I do this, I take the traffic to the nurture phase, and then from the nurture phase, this is literally how I generate sales and revenue for my YouTube business. And overall, this YouTube sales funnel has generated me $285,000 from AdSense revenue on just one channel, and it's also recently generated me over $11,000 in digital product sales. And this is literally it, guys. This is my entire YouTube funnel for my YouTube business, for the channel that you're watching right now. It's step one, something that I'm passionate about, that is popular, that is profitable. Then I think about my YouTube channel and create content for one person solving one problem, release freebies and a paid product, then use my YouTube sales funnel by driving traffic and views down my sales funnel, nurture that audience, which converts into sales and revenue. And as I say, the main focus of my YouTube business is to help one person solve one problem. And then I create YouTube content to help them get over that problem and get them one step closer to their dream or their goal. This is literally all you need to do. A lot of people overcomplicate it. They talk about tips and tricks and hacks, etc. But when we talk about systems and principles for building a successful business, this is the best way to do it. And this literally fits on one single page. And just to let you know, in the description of this video, I will leave a link so you can download this template. I'll actually fill this out with more in-depth questions so you can go through them and use that to build your YouTube business. But anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video, guys, and I hope you found this video useful. If you enjoyed the content, consider liking this video, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.